In this video, I'll tell you how search engines work. You need to know how search engines work to understand SEO better. Whenever you type any search query in Google or in any other search engine, you are presented with the search results in less than a second. For example, if I type how to earn money online in Google, you can see that Google has shown me these many results in less than a second. In order to deliver you the results so quickly, search engines have to do a lot of work earlier. And this process can be divided into three main steps, which are crawling, indexing, and ranking. So now let's discuss each step in detail. The first step is crawling, and the main aim of this step is to discover information that is available online. In crawling, search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo send their software programs, which are also known as bots, spiders, and crawlers, to find new and updated content. When bots visit a page, they download the necessary information from that page, such as URL of the page, keywords associated with that page, type of content like whether it's an image, video, or text content, the date on which the page was published, incoming and outgoing links, and other needed information. For example, if a bot is on this website, then the first thing you have to keep in mind, bots don't see the web pages as we see. They see the code behind the web page. You can also see the code of any page by opening that page in the Chrome browser, right-clicking anywhere on the page, and then clicking on View Page Source. Bots see this code, and from here they download the information that they need. After downloading the necessary information, the bot will then follow all the links on this page. By following the links, I mean they will also visit those pages. Let's see where the bot will go from this page. As you can see, there are many internal links on this page, like these three ones, this one, and if we scroll down, then we have more links in the footer. These are all the links that are pointing to other pages of this website. The bot will also visit these pages. One other thing to note, bots will not only follow the links that are pointing within the same website, but they will also follow all the links that are going out of the website, or you can also say them as external links. This is a page from lifehack.org, and if we scroll down, we can see some external links here. If I open this page, you can see that this page is from lightmind.com. So if a bot is on this page, then it will also go to this page, and from here it will go to these pages, to these pages, to these pages, and also to other pages that are being linked from this page, and that can be internal or external links. This is a continuous process, which means that if they crawl a new page today, then they will recrawl it after some time to see if anything changed on that page or if new links are added. If they find new links, they will also crawl them. There are more than 4 billion web pages already published on the internet, and thousands of new pages are published every day. So these bots have to do a lot of work to visit all those pages. This mechanism is called crawling. I hope you now understand what is crawling and how it works. Now the second step after crawling is indexing. In this step, the information stored by bots is organized and sorted into a database. You can think of the index as a database where all the web pages are stored. Search engines use their index as a source of information for their search results. Whenever you search for anything, you basically search from Google's index. All the websites or web pages that are being shown in the search results are in Google's index. This means that if you want your website to appear in the search results, then your website needs to be crawled and indexed by Google. You can check whether your website is in Google's index or not by typing site:/yourdomain.com. For example, if I want to check whether this website is in Google's index or not, I will copy its URL and then in Google I will simply type site colon then website address. So you can see 54 pages from this website are indexed by Google. Similarly, you can check whether your website is in Bing's and Yahoo's index or not by typing this search operator. Let's copy this and paste it in Bing. You can see 45 pages from this website are in Bing's index. And similarly, you can also check it in Yahoo. If you want to check whether a specific page is indexed or not, then again simply you have to type site colon and then instead of domain name you have to type in the whole URL. For example, if I want to check whether this page is indexed or not, I can copy its URL and then in Google type site colon and then paste the URL. So you can see this page is also in Google's index. This process is called indexing, in which all the information downloaded by bots is stored and organized, and search engines use their index as a source of information for their search results. Now the third and last step is ranking. When you search for anything, for example, if you search how to earn money online, then what search engines will do is they will identify all the pages in their index that are related to the term how to earn money online. Now the problem is there may be thousands of pages in their index that are all targeting this keyword, or you can also say that are related to this term. Now they have to decide which pages to show in their search results and in what order. They do this with the help of a ranking algorithm which is top secret for every search engine. Every search engine has its own algorithm. If you type any keyword in Google, Bing and Yahoo, they'll show you the different results. In their algorithm, they have different factors that help them decide which web pages to show in the search results and in what order for any keyword. Earlier, when search engines were new, they simply tried to match the user's query or keyword with the title and content of a web page. If a keyword was appearing more times in a web page, then this was thought to be the most relevant web page to a search query. This created a problem because people who knew this started throwing keywords in their page title and also throughout the content to rank for a particular keyword. Now things are different. Google now has more than 200 factors based on which they decide which web pages to rank in their search results and what should be their order. And they keep updating their algorithm many times in a year. Now they not only look at the content of the web page, but they see many other things, and this is done automatically with the help of their algorithm. Now let's discuss some of these factors in this video. First of all, they'll see whether the words that someone has typed in the search box are appearing in the meta title, meta description, in the URL, in the headings, in the content of the web page. They'll also see the length and quality of the content. This will help them identify all the relevant pages in their index. Then they'll see the quality of the whole website, like how many pages it has, how old is the website, is this website following their quality standards, and things like that. They also see how recently the content was published and how many times it has been updated. They also see the language of the page. If you search for any keyword in the German language, then you will see the pages in the search results that are targeting the German language. Similarly, if you search anything in French, it will show you pages that are in French language. Search engines also see how many times each website takes to load. Is the website working properly on different devices like on desktop, mobile and tablets? Is the website secure? Then they see the user's device from where they are making a search query. If people are searching on mobile, then they will show them different results as compared to if they were searching from a desktop. They also see the user's location. If I search for a coffee shop in the United States, then it will show me the different results as compared to if I search for a coffee shop from Pakistan, and it makes sense. They also see the number and quality of backlinks each page has and rank pages higher that are more popular. So these are some of the factors that search engines look to decide which pages to show in their search results and most importantly in what order. This is how search engines work. First of all, they do crawling, then indexing, and then with the help of ranking algorithms, they sort the web pages in their search results.